Today we're doing an all-white custom water-cooled PC inside of the Antec P120 crystal case. We'll be featuring an ASRock Extreme motherboard and of course the PowerColor HellHound in white. So let's go ahead and I'll leave all of the parts in the video description. To activate all of Windows features, head on over to ucdkeys.com. Purchase a Windows 10 Pro OEM key for as little as $13.44, a fraction of retail price. Use offer code D20 for 20% off. Copy your key and paste it here to activate. You can also enjoy all of the other softwares with our 20% discount code D20. I'll leave the links in the video description. here it is, guys, our final build inside the Antec P120 Crystal White Edition. Now, all of the LEDs were meant to be set to white, however, we had a bit of difficulty with the RAM modules. The LEDs on this particular RAM are actually faulty, so when we set it all to white, there was some actual blue LEDs shining through. So because of that, we ended up setting everything to RGB because the RAM modules ended up blending in the end. One other thing I wasn't happy with was the paint that was used on the motherboard. We applied it and it looked really good when we did apply it. However, we left it for a few days to sort of cure before we wanted to touch it, so we didn't leave fingerprints and everything on it. But it had a creamy yellowy color, which sort of came on over a couple of days. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking this apart and I'm gonna repaint the motherboard. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to do that before we had to put this build up. So that is one thing that we are gonna be doing. Now, that's not really noticeable when the full build was together, but you could really notice it when I was putting the motherboard inside the actual case. But that's no big deal, we'll get that fixed anyway. Anyway, guys, I'll leave all of the specs in the description. I appreciate you guys' support. If you'd like to help support the channel, Patreon or YouTube channel memberships is the way to do that. I'll leave those links in the video description. If you would like to join our Discord and chat with us about the build after you watch this video, please feel free to jump over there and ask any questions you have. I'd also like to thank PowerColor for the HellHound GPU, and I'd also like to thank ASRock for the motherboard, and a big shout out to Antec as well for providing the case. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.